And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install PubG game on your Amazon tablet. So in the first step we have to open the web browser, and look for the PubG APK. And remember, you are installing it from the unofficial source, so you're making it at your own risk. Okay, I love the APK Pure site, so I'm gonna choose that. And now just open the download APK file. I have the application, so I shall be redirected, yes, from the web browser to the app, but if you don't have this app, don't worry, you can download it in your web browser. Okay, I have downloaded the game before. So we can go to the APK Pure app and choose download. Sorry, this tablet works a little bit slow. Okay, and download the app, and there we have a PubG mobile. So downloading is completed, we can tap on install. You can also tap on the downloaded file in your web browser, and the installing process should start like here. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.